Well, we had a job in 2014. I thought I'd do a new video. I apologize for the light. Have this plastic off so I can make it pitch black. And I work with a black light and locate all the urine spots. Give me an example. If I turn it off, it gets pretty dark in here. And by locating the sore spots, I'm able to, get exactly where it is. Oftentimes when it's too bad, we'll do the whole floor, but there's almost 55 very discernible spots in this living room with the black light. On the next section, I'm going to try and see if I can actually get them to show under the black light on the video. Okay, here goes. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to show these or not. You can see as I put the black light directly on the spot, I'm not sure if it shows in the video. It doesn't show through the screen very much. There's one there, 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 one there. I'm not sure if we can get close enough to see them with the light off to the side. Oh, there. Yeah, I think maybe you can. If I go right along the edges of them, they do show up a little better. So you can see, what I'm looking for when I'm looking in a carpet for urine. And if I can show this at all, it's a differentiation of some older. It takes about 5.5 years for the proteins and salts to dissipate totally. Even after I clean them, they're only minimally affected. You can still locate the older spots. There we go. Anyway, now that you're overwhelmed and totally excited and thrilled about what might be in your carpet, give us a call. If you have a pet, the odds are almost 100% we'll find some goodies. Let's see if I can do it from a distance. Boy, I can see them, but I don't know if how they show up for you all. Anyway, fun video. Well, since this is so much fun, and there's so few of you that are likely to be able to do this in a given lifetime like I get to do almost every day, I thought I'd maybe see if I could actually video this with me being gone. And how I do it. I'll locate spots, and I'll target them specifically so I know that I'm working in the product exactly where the urine salts are located, and then work them in deep into the carpet, into the padding. Eventually it'll work its way down into the subfloor. That's not our goal, but we do like to see if we can kill it all, if we can get rid of it. At least have it decontaminated and neutralized. Add some products that are very effective at sanitizing. So if you ever do remove this carpet, you want to make sure that or you don't have to make sure, but it's sure handy and nice for the customer to find out that it doesn't repulse them when they pull the carpet out, or have to seal the concrete to keep the smell from working its way back up. So that's what I do. Locate one spot at a time, very patiently, then work it back in with a machine so it works its way down. And I don't think I can run the machine and do the video and make it show, but if this works, I guess that's a pretty good step in the right direction. Okay. All right, just thought I'd show an example. I am now finished doing the targeted spray. See if I can put some more light in here. And you can see the chunks where I locate each spot. Now we're going to go over this whole thing again because there's so many spots in case I missed them, but very thorough. Went over it once and then back the other direction. While it's damp, it shows reflects a blue color. Well, when I'm using an oxidizer, it does. Same. For this other room, you can kind of tell the areas. We'll spray it again and work it in with a machine so we can work it deep into the fiber, down to the primary and secondary backing and the top of the pad. We want to recreate what was done in the carpet. So far I have right at 3 gallons to match the guesstimate quantity of the urine that's still remaining. Now, far more was put in the carpet than that, but the remaining part that's reachable at this point in time, after it's evaporated and dried and all that, definitely 3 gallons didn't cover it all, but it's close. Next step. All right, now we're done agitating it in and extracting it. Both rooms. I've got it fairly dry. We did use in excess of 5 gallons of just cleaning solution, so there's quite a bit of moisture. And now I'm going to vacuum. All right, now we're pretty well done. Carpet's almost dry. Looks fantastic. Odor is completely gone. It would have gagged a maggot once I first got it wet. It was repulsive. I pulled out way over a commercial bag full of pet hair. These people were pigs. I mean, gross. And it's spotless now. Not that I have an ego or anything, but it's profoundly good. Yeah.